RISCO Group, a leading provider of security solutions, presents LightSYS 2, the hybrid security system with smartphone app preferred by professional installers worldwide. LightSYS 2 offers a trendy smartphone app, providing alarm notification and total control for home and business owners. LightSYS 2 also offers total flexibility, which is manifested in all aspects of the system. Installation. With LightSYS 2, you can install using wired, two-way wireless or a hybrid combination. Wiring can also be done via the RISCO bus in any combination up to 32 zones. With the RISCO bus technology, system testing and diagnostic capabilities can be performed both locally and remotely using all communication channels. Installations can also be completed using less cabling, saving time and money. A full range of both one- and two-way wireless accessories are available, including wireless sounders, keypads and detectors for gas, flood and smoke. LightSYS 2 offers RISCO Cloud connectivity, which enables the smartphone app for end-user control and seamless remote configuration via the cloud for installers. Configuration. LightSYS 2 saves you time with the remote PC configuration software, connecting seamlessly through the RISCO Cloud or directly via GPS, IP or PSTN. Following installation, system maintenance and customer support can also be performed remotely, saving time and travelling costs. Communication. With LightSYS 2, you have the choice of plug-in IP, GSM GPRS modules, in addition to the standard PSTN communication, adding to the system's flexibility. The time saved from the installation, auto configuration and remote customer support translate into significant savings for both the installer and customer. In conclusion, LightSYS 2 provides a professional security system with an appealing smartphone app for home and business users.